Today I am reviewing the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC Windows 11 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC is a powerful example of how far compact computing has come. At first glance, it looks like a small, minimal desktop designed to save space. But once you dive into its performance, it quickly becomes clear that this is a serious machine built for productivity, multitasking, and even light creative workloads. For office users, business professionals, and anyone who wants a clean, clutter-free setup without sacrificing power, this mini PC makes a very strong case. At the core of the system is the Intel Core 14450HX processor, a high-performance chip that delivers impressive speed and efficiency. With a hybrid architecture of 10 cores, 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, and boost speeds reaching up to 4.8 GHz, this processor is designed to handle demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're running multiple applications, working with large spreadsheets, editing documents, or even doing some light content creation, the system remains fast and responsive. Compared to older processors like the i7-1195G7 or even some 12th Gen chips, the performance uplift is noticeable, especially in multitasking scenarios. Complementing the processor is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for most modern workloads. This allows you to switch between apps smoothly, keep dozens of browser tabs open, and run productivity software without slowdowns. It's the kind of setup that feels effortless in daily use, which is exactly what you want in a work-focused machine. And if your needs grow over time, the system supports upgrades up to 64 GB of RAM, giving you plenty of room to scale. Storage is handled by a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, and this is where the system really shines in terms of speed. Boot times are almost instant, applications load quickly, and file transfers are incredibly fast. PCIe Gen 4 storage is a noticeable upgrade over older SSDs, and it helps make the entire system feel snappy and modern. Like the RAM, storage is also expandable, so you can easily add more capacity if you need to store large files, media, or project data. One of the standout features of the KAMRUI Hyper H2 is its triple 4K display support. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and a full-featured USB-C port, you can connect up to 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz simultaneously. This is a huge advantage for productivity. Imagine having your email on one screen, your main work on another, and reference material or video calls on a third, all running smoothly at high resolution. For professionals who rely on multitasking, this kind of setup can significantly improve efficiency and workflow. The integrated UHD graphics, while not designed for high-end gaming, are more than capable for everyday tasks, media playback, and even light creative work. Video playback is smooth, including high-resolution content, and the system handles video encoding formats like H.264 and HEVC efficiently. For office use, streaming, and digital signage, the graphics performance is more than sufficient. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC excels. It includes Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless performance, Bluetooth 5.2 for connecting peripherals, and Gigabit Ethernet for reliable wired networking. This ensures that whether you're working from home, in an office, or in a shared environment, you'll have a consistent and fast connection. The system also features an impressive number of ports for its size, including multiple USB 3.2 ports and a versatile USB-C connection. This means you can connect keyboards, mice, external drives, printers, and other devices without needing additional hubs or adapters. Despite its compact size, thermal performance is handled very well. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 uses a dual-fan cooling system along with copper heat pipes and a dedicated heatsink for the SSD. This ensures that the system stays cool even during extended workloads. Whether you're working for hours on end or running heavier applications, the system maintains stable performance without overheating or excessive noise. This reliability makes it suitable for 24/7 operation, which is especially important in business environments. Design-wise, the mini PC is clean, minimal, and highly practical. Its small footprint allows it to fit almost anywhere, on a desk, behind a monitor, or even mounted in tight spaces. This makes it ideal for users who want to keep their workspace organized and free of clutter. It's also a great solution for setups where space is limited but performance is still a priority. Another advantage of this system is that it comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. This provides access to advanced features like remote desktop, enhanced security options, and better management tools, which are particularly useful for business users and professionals. Of course, it's important to understand what this system is and what it isn't. It's not a dedicated gaming PC, and it's not designed for heavy 3D rendering or high-end video editing. However, for office work, multitasking, programming, media consumption, and general productivity, it delivers excellent performance in a compact and efficient package. In conclusion, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC is a powerful, space-saving solution that combines modern performance with impressive versatility. With its strong processor, fast storage, triple 4K display support, and robust connectivity, it's an ideal choice for professionals, students, and businesses looking for a reliable and efficient desktop alternative. If you want a system that's small in size but big on capability, this mini PC is definitely worth considering.